welcome to Muri Beach, the best place on the island. We are gonna be camping here this weekend. Let's go and video these guys. They're gonna be fishing. JC, come. Say cheese. 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 Yeah.
Jim, come. There's a fish over here. We get this one first.
Lena. Kêu Anna. Cô ai to ingwa?
Cô Aleng na taku ingwa.
Cô ai to mami?
Cô mami taku mami.
Cô ai to tati?
Cô tati taku mami.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah.
God, there's a jellyfish.
Where?
I saw a blue one.
That's not. Okay. I can.
Pull underneath you. Pull. Don't let your bottom.
I video under.
Yeah, underneath. Pull underneath. Okay, pull underneath.
Oh, keep holding.
Keep pulling.
Pull it back.
Wait, guys.
Yeah, tap it. Ooh, pull it back in. I don't want to put it in. Pull it back in. Pakai, wait, pakai. Wait, it's pakai. Let's get it again. Wait a second.
Feels like we're still in high school, passing notes under tables just cause you were too afraid to talk in person. Why you gotta be so shy? Speaking hushed tones and whispers, making sure now
Oh yeah, they're right in the front here. Right here.
Mario.
Yeah. It's right here. In line with me.
Cut this way, Cuz. Cut this way.
Go that way.
Cut straight.
Come in.
Ready?
Come in.
It's right here. It's right here. It's still here. It's coming to you, guys. It's coming to you. Yeah, it's got that way. It's got that way. Liam, give me your shoe. Stay there, Liam. So we're just getting the umi. Liam, give me your shoe.
Liam, hold it down.
Hold it down, Liam. Give me your shoe.
Mom, I need it.
Ah, you're not going anywhere. No, stay there. Where is it? Stay there, Jay. Lena, you're right. We're catching some fish. It's like a unicorn fish.
No, I get the fishes.
She's out there.
Yo! Why? Get on there. GoPro, stop recording. What a catch, guys. We've got umi. What do we have? Umi. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
There's heaps in there.
But they're hiding under the rock.
Yeah. Ooh, there's another one. I'm gonna go collect it. Can I pull this out somewhere?
In a sec. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop.
You drive me crazy. Got me doing things I don't do lately. I appreciate all the time you make to stick right by me. If loving you has made me a fool in love, then maybe I don't wanna ever change much. But when
Run, let's go.
baby, I'm all yours. When you see sitting hours a day, just thinking about you. When we'll blow the hair in my face, you'd reach out just to tuck it behind my ears again. I see you blushing and your cheeks go red. It gets my heart beating faster
traffic, but I'll be home on time. So don't you worry, that pretty little face of yours, I got you something.
Right here.
Huh?
Like on the top here. Okay.
Go dive.
Okay, everyone go underneath. Okay, we gotta go and look at the camera.
Ready?
Ready?
Steady.
Ready? Hold your breath. Ready?
Ready,
One,
go.
2, 3, go.
Reminiscing, sitting hours a day, thinking about you, what we do and all the words we say.
When the wind would blow the hair in my face, you'd reach out just to tuck it behind my ears again.
I see you blushing and your cheeks go red. It gets my heart beating faster than it already is.
In my head is 3 words, one meaning.
Baby, you got me reminiscing. You got me
Reminiscing.
Alright,
reminiscing. I see you blushing and your cheeks go